Introducing the SOLUS range from Vision E-Line, the ultimate in electric fires. Using cutting-edge technology and innovation to provide instant heat, realistic flames, and adaptive ambience to your living space. Prepare to be captivated. The SOLUS range is the outstanding result of extensive research and development, meticulous attention to detail, and the highest standard of quality. With a host of unique and innovative features, these appliances are unrivaled in their class. Available in a range of sizes, each SOLUS Fire comes complete with a high-definition log set and can be installed in one of 3 different aspects: front, corner, or panoramic. A SOLUS Fire can be conveniently controlled in 3 ways: using the multifunction panel discreetly located on the appliance, with the intuitive remote control handset, or through your smart device, such as a phone or tablet, using Wi-Fi connectivity. Tri-Light technology provides multi-angled, fully customizable dynamic LED lighting to create thousands of unique color and tonal combinations to the flame effect and fuel bed. Or try one of the programmed themes. Speed control allows you to speed up or slow down the flickering flames to suit your mood. Bring another dimension to the experience with the sound of a crackling fire. Or extend the atmosphere beyond the fire and into the room using a SOLUS ambient lighting kit. Quick start heat options allow you to select low heat, high heat, or cool blow at the touch of a button, whilst adaptive smart heating allows you to schedule the exact time and date you wish to heat your room and select a desired temperature.